Upper Niagara River. You should be able to see the Peace Bridge. You can't see it. Heavy snow this morning. There's the river. You should be able to see Buffalo. You can't see it. Lots of snow. The roundhouse, the mouth of the river, it's up there, trust me, but you can't see it. Get some good snow tires. Get ready. Ice fishing is going to be better than ever. Tons of ice on the lake. We might be ice fishing till the summer. Check out fishingniagara.com online for all your updates, all your reports, all the conditions, all the time. fishingniagara.com. Good luck, be safe, and go fishing.